Hello everyone. Sometimes we think that making our home look beautiful requires a lot of money, but the truth is very different. With a little creativity, even simple material can be turned into something amazing. In today's video, I will show you some amazing DIY craft ideas that are not only easy to make but also look stylish and creative. These ideas can help you decor your home in a simple and affordable way. Let's begin with the first idea. This is a simple paper decoration craft. You can use colored paper and basic folding techniques to create beautiful designs. These decorations are perfect for walls, rooms, or even small events. If you choose bright and matching colors, the final result will look more attractive. Now, let's move to the next idea. This is a creative bottle decoration. Instead of throwing away old bottles, you can reuse them by adding paint, robe, or simple designs. You can also use it as a flower base or decorative items for your table. This is a great way to turn waste into something useful. If you are enjoying these ideas, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to DIY Craft Gallery for more creative inspiration. Let's check out another idea. This is a wall hanging craft made using simple material like cardboard and thread. You can cut different shapes and design in your own style. It is a very easy to make and gives a unique look to your room. Here is another interesting idea. This is a jar decoration craft. You can use an old jar and decor it using colors, papers, or lights. It can be used as a light, lamp, or just a decorative piece. Small detail like lights can make a big difference in how it looks. Now, moving to the next one. This is a paper box craft. You can easily create it using folding technique. It is useful for storing small items or giving gifts. You can also decorate it with the patterns to make it look more creative. Another simple idea is this. This is a homemade photo frame. You can use cardboard and design according to your choice. It is a great way to display your favorite memories in a creative way. Finally, let's look at one more idea. This is a decorative item made using waste material. You can reuse old things and turn them into something beautiful. This not only saves money but also helps you think more creatively. If you like these ideas, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the DIY Craft Gallery. Also, comment below which idea you like the most. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.